Hi Stampers, Diane Dimich here with ddStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my Create With Me Club for July. This is Create With Me Club is a club that is a monthly subscription where you sign up and then you pay through PayPal. And I send you a packet every month for my Create With Me Club. And in that packet, it contains designer series paper, ribbon, embellishments, and enough card kits to do 2 of each of the cards that I've made for the club that month. I also sell it just as a monthly, so you just buy it for 1 month. It's a little bit more, but if you just want to buy 1 month at a time, you could do that too. And the last that I've done now is I do have my tutorials up for sale, where you don't get a kit and you just get the tutorial and the PDFs for my Create With Me Club. So check the links below in this video, and I'll also put them out in my newsletter. So if you haven't signed up for my newsletter, you may want to do that. All right, I'm going to flip my camera and show you this month's kit, Create With Me kit. We're using the stamp set Framed Violets, which is a new stamp set coming out in the online exclusives on July 1st. So this is the Framed Violets. I love this. And I love the dies. I love this big, huge oval frame, and they're big. I know that these packets don't do them justice, but you can see it's a big die. And a lot of fun to use. And it has a stamp that coordinates, as you can see here. So this stamp here coordinates with that big scallop, and then the oval can cut out the middle too. And then you also have dies for all the images, and then some standalone dies too. So that is the Framed Violets. All right, so this month's kit uses also the paper. So this is the paper. You'll get a half a pack of the designer series paper. You'll have enough to complete all your cards plus have extras. The one thing that's fun about this, you can see I like this paper a lot because I used it all. You can see about these die cuts that you get. I did not use these in the Create With Me Club, so you'll have all of these dies to play with your when you get your product kit. And then the backs of these are some great, real basic, schemes. Not so loud print. All right, I love the colors in this. I've also used the Fresh Freesia ink, the Fresh Freesia blends, the Peaceful Pine blends, the Versamark, and white embossing powder, because we do emboss. You'll get a packet of these cute little embellishments, which are really cute. These are Adhesive Backed Blooms, and they have their little flowers, and then they have a little rhinestone inside of them. You get a whole pack of those. And a pack of the Fresh Freesia ribbon, which this is a beautiful satin ribbon. It's really soft and easy to work with. All right, let me quick show you the cards. Like I said, you'll get enough product to make 2 of each. And I do decorate the envelopes too, but I'm going to show techniques in this particular club. So that's always fun to learn some new techniques. There's that white embossing. And here's one of this with just the standalone dies. All right, so that is my Create With Me Club for the month of July. I hope that you join me. Like I said, I'll put the links in the description below, and I'll have all the information on my website. If you haven't already done so, sign up for my newsletter, where you will get tips, tricks, and techniques from me every week. Thanks, and have a great 4th of July.